Today we're tuning this white 2007 Chevy Trailblazer. Alright, check this thing out. This is, I tune, I don't want to say a lot, but a few of these I probably do, I don't know, somewhere around 10 or so a year. But this is one of the cleanest ones I have seen up here. I'm assuming it's a southern truck of some sort, but it is just immaculate. It's hard to show you the frame with it on the dyno, but the frame's still all the original. Like, it's all painted, it looks really well, there's no rust on the thing anywhere. So this has a 416 cubic inch Steve Morse built setup. Curious to see what it's gonna make. It's definitely got, it's still a stock cylinder head, but with that many cubes, and you know, those guys know what they're doing, so the camshaft is, I'm sure, well matched to the combination. It's got a Circle D converter. I don't know what else done to the transmission. I know the trans is fresh, but yeah, these things are cool. I really like them, but I'm gonna get rolling on the tune-up and show you guys some hits, and we'll see what it makes. I'm really hoping this thing makes mid 400s. I don't know if that's realistic because I don't know much about the engine combination other than the cubic inch is really, and then it's got a stock cylinder head. That's really all I know about it, but we will see what it makes. Okay, just got done with the Trailblazer. I made 372, 335, so not bad. Not the 400 we were hoping for, but it's still pretty good. I haven't had too many of these make upper 300s, so naturally I aspirated anyway. So yeah, definitely gonna be a fun daily driver. It's so clean. I can't get over how clean this thing is. It's super nice. But thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and look for our future videos.